How to uninstall TD Auto Finance app on Android. First of all, unlock your Android device and go to the Settings app. Once inside Settings, scroll down and tap on the apps or applications depending on your device. From the list of installed apps, find and select TD Auto Finance. When the app's info page opens, you will see options such as force stop, disable, and uninstall. Tap on uninstall. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you really want to remove the app from your device. Tap OK or confirm and the TD Auto Finance app will be uninstalled successfully. Now you know how to uninstall TD Auto Finance app on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.